Taking a look at our schematics, we can see that the front stiles are attached to the front edge of our project. Although as it is drawn up, our front stiles are perfectly flush with the side of our project, we're going to leave just about a 32nd of an inch overhang when we install these. This little overhang will be able to either be left or flush cut off after installation. We'll begin by applying a little bit of glue to the front edge of our sides. We want to make sure that the glue is spread evenly over the entire surface. We can then set the stile in place and very carefully work down the length of the project, installing a series of clamps, making sure that we have about a 1/32 inch overhang of our stile onto the side. Applying just a little bit of very gentle pressure. The bottom of our project needs to be flush. The top should be flush as well. We then want to wipe any excess glue with damp paper towel. And don't forget to wipe the inside as well. This then needs to sit for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we can remove our clamps and set up for our other side. A little bit of glue and more clamps. Again, making sure that the bottom and top are flush and we have about a 32nd inch overhang down the length of the project. And we can wipe the glue and wait another 24 hours.